How to avoid staff shortages and make NC programs available immediately. Welcome to the world of ScaleNC. ScaleNC is an in-house startup of TRUMPF, one of the market and technology leaders in machine tools and lasers for industrial manufacturing. On its platform, ScaleNC offers programming services for CAD machine models. Starting with 50 models, this number has now grown to 600 machines. And there are more and more. Let's dive into their success story. TRUMPF is a family business with headquarters in Ditzingen and sales of 4 billion euros in 2022. The core business is machine tools that form sheet metal. TRUMPF's customers are small and medium-sized workshops. They are desperately looking for specialists who can convert complex construction designs into machine programming. ScaleNC and Zoe have developed a programming services platform to address staff shortages. The ScaleNC platform is based on a serverless architecture with a cloud-native infrastructure powered by AWS-managed services. The backend is regularly updated using a CI/CD pipeline. The pipeline is activated on an event-driven basis so that the required resources are always provided fully automatically. Its advantages? It is highly available, scalable, flexible, cost-effective, secure, and user-friendly. ScaleNC wants to upgrade the smart factory game and enrich Industry 4.0. Their platform has a high degree of automation and therefore requires minimal maintenance. Zoe was involved in the process at an early stage and supported with concept and implementation. We ran workshops with TRUMPF to explore ideas and outline the MVP. Weekly design sprints with the team paved the way from sketches to working prototypes. During the UX design and MVP development phase, the TRUMPF colleagues were trained in working with serverless architectures. Since product development is never linear, end customer feedback was very valuable to improve processes and services. Ultimately, this led to the internal creation of the startup ScaleNC.
Gemeinsam mit Zoe konnten wir die ScaleNC-Plattform trotz unseren technologischen Anforderungen schnell entwickeln und schnell an den Markt bringen.
Die Verwendung von Serverless-Technologien, zu der uns Zoe geraten hat, hat uns geholfen, eine wirklich skalierbare Plattform aufzubauen.
Und das war uns als Corporate Startup besonders wichtig, weil wir als Ziel hatten, unsere Kunden möglichst schnell zu bedienen und möglichst schnell unsere Dienstleistung sicher und günstig zum Kunden zu bringen.